proudly brought to you by Hovatek. Hovatek, just a button away.
Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix access violation at address in module on Miraclebox 2.54. So all you need to do is close Miraclebox. Once you close Miraclebox, then go to computer and right click on it, go to system properties, then click on this advanced system settings, then click on settings. That's you have to click on the advanced, you'll see settings and click on it, then go to data execution prevention tab, then click on turn on DEP for all programs and services except those I select, and click on it, select it, then click on this add button. Here you will need to locate the folder where you have saved Miraclebox 2.54 or where it is installed. Then you click mine is saved on desktop, then I'm going to open it, then open Miraclebox folder and select Miraclebox. If you are using the loader version, you need to select both the Miraclebox.vmp and Miraclebox 2.54 loader. So open this one and click add again, then go down to Miraclebox 2.54 loader and open it. Then once you have selected these two exe files, then click on apply. Then you see the changes you have made require you to restart your computer before they can take effect. That means after saving the settings, I'll need to restart my computer. I'm sorry, I'm not going to restart it. I'm just demonstrating it for you so you can fix your own. Then click on OK, then click on this OK again, click on OK on system properties, and then you are good to go. All you need to do now is restart your computer and run Miraclebox 2.54 again, and the error will not be there again. Thank you for watching.